New development in Chapel Hill, North Carolina? Let's be honest, we haven't said that phrase in years, but get ready. I am going to be talking today about Chapel Hill's latest groundbreaking neighborhood that is already under construction. I am Jodi Bakst with Real Estate Experts, and I have actually walked the grounds and seen the vision that is taking shape and captured some video footage for you. This isn't just a development, they're transforming this area. I am talking about South Creek. It's a $500 million mixed-use development on 15501 just across from Southern Village. And this neighborhood means living, shopping, dining, and playing all seamlessly woven together. But what truly sets South Creek apart, it's designed not for just living, but for living well. Out of 120 acres, a full 80 acres will be designed and dedicated for a nature preserve with extensive walking trails. So imagine being able to just step outside your door and go on lovely walks. So it's not just green space, it's a commitment to a lifestyle. And the amenities. So we're talking about 3 pools, a state-of-the-art fitness center, fire pits throughout the neighborhood, a dedicated dog park, and demonstrating kitchens, and a podcast studio. Seriously, we've needed one of those. And even an amphitheater and a stage for live events. It's going to be a pretty special place to live. So let's talk about the homes. South Creek isn't about traditional single-family houses. This is a modern, kind of vibrant living and townhouses. There'll be 600 condos, 1, 2, and 3 bedroom, and 100 townhomes, like luxury townhomes, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, with incredible rooftop terraces and garages. There's also going to be 90 apartments, also 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. All of this is anchored by South Creek's Market Street, which is where the retail and office space will be located, for people's convenience, to just be able to be in a walkable neighborhood. This is what people are looking for. So what about the price tag? So the developers are currently projecting prices from like $300,000 to $1 million. They're offering a range of options to buyers, and the neighborhood will be developing over the course of the next 8 years. So it's going to be a phased development, and I think it's going to be at least a year before there's something that people can walk through and potentially buy. So please hit the like button if you're excited about South Creek, and let me know in the comments what feature you're looking most forward to, and most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring that notification bell so that you're the first to know about all of the progress, open houses, and everything coming to South Creek. I'm Jodi Bakst with Real Estate Experts, working in Durham and Chapel Hill and the surrounding area. Until next time.